Finally, the long wait is over. Let's unbox this item. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Travel with Jason, and today we will going to unbox the new Dji Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Let's go! So guys, what's inside the box are these things here. First is we have the Oppo Pocket 3, the device itself, with also this protective cover. This also includes a DJI Mic 2 transmitter, and we have also this handle with 1/4 thread, and this one is also a battery handle. This is also an external battery, so this will also give you additional 100 minutes of video recording. And this one is a mini tripod also, and that will also include Type-C cable, carrying bag, and there's the DJI Mic 2 clip magnet, and as well as the DJI Mic 2 windscreen. And also this package comes with a wide angle lens, and also comes with the DJI wrist strap. Okay, so what are the features of this Osmo Pocket 3? So this one comes with the 1-inch CMOS, and it plays 4K video, and there is also 2-inch rotatable screen with orientation control, and three axis gimbal mechanical, and there's an active track 6.0, full pixel fast focusing, and there's a D-Log if you want raw footage and you want to edit it in your software, then you can edit it for more colors. And we have also stereo recording, and this is really pocket size camera where it really fits your on your pocket, so that's why it is called as DJI Osmo Pocket 3. We'll open the box now. See you. So guys, what's inside the box? We will open the box. So first is the silica gel. Of course, we don't need that. And we have the bag. Oh, this is the bag. Put it aside. And we have here the manuals, the QR code. I guess this is for the app. That is the DJI recommended video editing app. So I guess this is what we call the DJI Mimo. I'm not really sure. I'll check that later on. And what's in this box is this. Oh, this is the carrying case. Here is the carrying case. Well, it's nice. It's nice for the grip because it's like sandy texture. Okay, so here inside you can use you can put your Black Pro Mist filter, and here is the wide angle lens which comes in this package here. So guys, next we will open this package, and I'm so excited. And first is we have this carrying bag. The bag is very nice, guys. The bag is very nice. You can see there's a logo of DJI. And what's inside? Let's open it. Okay, what we have here first is the one that you connect, so wherein you can mount, or you can put your tripod here down, and you can also use this to charge. All right, you have this one here, and next is the I guess this is the battery, external battery. All right, this is the external battery. All right, you can also put it and connect to your DJI device. All right, next up is the windscreen, for the mic windscreen, and we have the sling. And next is we have the type C to type C cable. Yes, fast charging. And we have this is for the DJI mic 2 at the back on the clip. This is the magnetic, no, I'm sorry, this is the lens, the wide angle lens, I'm sorry. So here you can attach this wide angle lens here, and it's magnetic. So there, you can see. All right. And what else inside is the DJI magnet. So this magnet is used at the DJI mic 2, so you can touch this, so at least you can put it in your shirt, inside the shirt, so it will not fall, your mic. And next, what we have is the this is the mini tripod. We have the mini tripod. There you go. It's nice. And what else inside? This one is the DJI Mic 2. It's very nice, guys. So this is the magnet. Earlier I've said, oh my god, the magnet's very strong. The magnet's very strong, guys. Alright, DJI mic. And of course, we have the device itself. Oh, it's not that heavy as what I have thought. It's really handy. So you have this Pocket 3, and what's here, this is the lens, and this is the joystick, and this is the power. This is the USB port to charge, and here you can put the sling, and here is the memory card. Okay, and also this one has three mics, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so once you open, you slide, you make it landscape, and it will automatically open. Let's try it. I'm so excited to try this one, guys. Let's see. Oh my god, it works. So once I close, it will give me 2 seconds, and then it will turn off. There, automatically. The good thing here is the lens is covered automatically here, so at least it will be protected. So wanna try it again one more time, guys? Let's open. Wow, it's very nice. And let me turn it off. It will turn off. Oh my god. All right, so guys, this is the all new DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. All right, and I will going to set up this camera, and we're going to test it more from inside or like in the like dark areas or outside that is low light, having low light, and we'll try also on the daylight if how this camera will perform. Okay guys, I guess that's all, and I hope you enjoy this unboxing of this new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is Travel with Jason saying travel while you can, because life has no rewind. Thank you guys.